Oh shit.
What?
Bro.
What
What are
the
you
hell?
doing? I'm so sorry, lady. I'm so. Never mind. I am not sorry.
I'm sorry.
What are you looking at?
I didn't know you would play this.
Bruh.
Play what? AbbyLee. Are you the real AbbyLee?
Well, duh.
I don't believe you. I think you're just a copy. You're a child. That's what a child would say. This is my real voice. And I bet your voice is ugly.
Hey, this guy. No, not you. This guy, help me.
I need help.
No, talk to this guy.
You have a mommy and a daddy. Love each other very much.
Okay.
Oh my god, that was my childhood
I'm not a 3-year-old AbbyLee.
Let it
Oh,
go.
man.
Let it
Yes,
go. I love you to the sky.
Nope.
Where's the
Okay,
vlog?
me.
Where's the vlog?
Let it go in the sky. Oh, is it bad?
Can I type?
Ever seen Let It Go?
Yeah, you can sing.
Okay.
This new girl can go.
Let
okay?
it go. Oh,
Guys,
no. What? There has to be one song.
Yeah.
I'm doing it.
Let it go.
I'm not
let
singing.
it go. I can't stand. Bruh. What the freak?
I'm not singing You Let It Go. I'm not a 3-year-old. I don't want it. What the hell are these guys doing back here? What the hell?
Oh my God.
All the pretty girls walk like this. I'm like a bird.
Yes! Abby, thanks for joining us. Yes.
Got a new member.
Why is one arm bigger than the other?
Anyways, hold on, guys. We have to celebrate let's celebrate.
My bad. That's so trash.
Just like your outfit.
Okay.
Your arm padding's away from me. I don't even care. You're definitely a 3-year-old with like Roblox comebacks. Like, don't even like. Let me just have my own singing.
Sorry, my little sister's getting
This is
beaten.
the oh. Oh, you're breaking down.
This is